Mommy. Lali. No. Bye.
Goat. Green tractor, Daddy. What's going on, guys? We are here at another farm, just checking things out. Ooh, it's kind of bumpy for Lobby. He's sleeping, but no one wanted to go see the tractor.
Look, even the chair goes up and down.
So far, so good. They have a little park area. Oh, look, there's a photo op. I don't know where we can place the camera for that, but there's a tractor ride. Go see the farm animals first, as per Noah's request, and then the park later. My sleeping handsome. A peacock in there. So, like I was about to say, there's alpacas, there's a donkey, turkey, and the peacock that you guys just heard, some chickens. Oh, where's the ducks? Where'd they all go? Are you having fun?
What?
It stinks. There's like horse rides. It's very short. Does it feel like fire? No way, man.
Wait for Daddy, please.
You sat on Daddy's lap.
So guys, we're just having a break. There's somebody missing. There he is.
His socks almost off.
Hi buddy, did you wake up?
Long time ago, Daddy.
Are you having fun? Yeah. Lolly always has fun. Noah, what are you drinking?
What are you drinking, baby?
Juice?
Juice. You're okay. Mommy's got you.
Yo, man. Slow down.
Who's got mommy?
I know.
Look at the camera. Say yes. These are apple trees. He doesn't like it. He doesn't like it. How about you? Do you like it? How my boobs hurt. Yeah. Help my boo. Help my boo. That's even. I feel like my bladder's gonna explode with all the bouncing. Yeah.
Those are apple trees, buddy. That's where apples grow. And these trees.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, my big bladder. Yo, man, this is the best ride I've ever been on. The hay is digging up into my bubble.
Hey, you were in tights. That was fun.
Look at Nano's legs. Thought he was gonna take us through there. I can't move anymore. I'm gonna be my pants.
Go, go, boo. You want Daddy to come in? Good. No. Check it out, guys. A teepee.
There's another one over there.
Oh yeah, the starting one over there.
And one behind it. Oh, cool. The 1, 2, 3.
So fun fact, Canada in Native American means home.
First Nations.
First Nations. But that is what Daddy's here for.
I came in like a wrecking ball. I never hit so hard.
One more.
Babes!
That's fun. Okay. Come on, swing.
It hurt.
It shouldn't here. Now Daddy's gonna swing.
Hold on.
What's going on, guys? The sun is killing me. So we're just going for a walk to get some ice cream. Noah had a 4.5-hour nap. He was zonked out. Wow, I really need to get some glasses. Yeah, I napped too. So we're just gonna go see there's some construction around our house. Noah really wants to see the excavators. And then we're gonna go get some ice cream.
Look, Boo Boo. Excavators and crane. Wow.
So this is how we roll when we go for our walks. Nano loves this car, but I think we're gonna have to invest in a better car soon because it's getting a little big for it. And there's the excavator.
Hi, baby. Careful. Hey, where are you going? Go.
Water. What color is your water? Nana, what color is your water? Purple. Alright guys, so we just came back from our walk from our ice cream. We went to like a little track and field area by a school, and Noah loved it. He loves running around. We're just giving him a bath. The color of the water is not dirty. It's like these crayons. They're a little too far. It's like these little tablets. It's kind of like the bath bombs, but they just color the water. So it comes in like I think 4 different colors, but the problem is we throw so many in there that it just always ends up being like a dark color. That's it. All right, guys. Nano, say night night. That's gonna be it for guys. Catch you next one.